So my specialty is art, and I use art as a way to reach the masses. It does not require any language barrier. It doesn't require a highly educated person to look at it to understand it. So because my skill is art, and I am very passionate about raising awareness about the plastic waste consumption we have in Jordan and what happens. It's no one's responsibility until it becomes everyone's problem. So plastic doesn't go in the trash. It just comes back to us in one form or another. And now it's inside of us. So everyone needs to chip in to make this change, because if not, it's going to destroy our planet and it's going to destroy the future generations.